name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what? Mankind, and the other names. The DNA there, and this be what? Matter count. You know, say this world where we day inside, brother and sister. We get poor people, where we can't get rich people. Omo omuweska, and no omo omuniska. When in God in wisdom, then in knowledge, you know, it be in our way they make that thing happen. Because in way they give grace to people, make them get opportunities. Make that opportunity give them, make them source, make them get money, make them live luxury life, make them live to their own satisfaction for the world inside. If you God now way they make that thing happen. When we start get poor people, where then they get to inside, then they streets, then they where people they pass, say make them beg before they go do what? Then go chop. If you God now way they do that thing. When you know say this world too every day inside no. This hand no go fit be the same. In Satya near pet. When you know nothing go fit be pet da for this world inside. Because you now if you try say you go make your Satya make pair unto me yet. Try say you go fit make her. Because God now when you make it what it happen. Where you know go fit change them. Because it be the creator no, where you do the creation no, like that. The matter where you can be say some Nigerian personality. When then the Bellam that the freeze, it be in Nigeria there. It be very good man where you do it encourage the youth, it encourage society. That be what he do for your lifestyle inside. This man can talk. Where this man can talk say the best investment where he did this world inside. You know be say you go set up businesses or you know be say you go build house then put someone for inside. You know me say you get money, you dey take what? You dey take your puppy, your mommy, they go chill, or you dey buy range and things give your girlfriend. He said the best investment be say you go help the poor. People where they not get some, people where they not get place bed, people where they not get place where they go chop. People where they not get say then get money say then they go school and things. It be that people where you help her, it be the best investment. That's what this man can talk. Where plenty people put them more for inside. Where they talk say what this man talk no, it be sense. It be true, it be sense. Because if you get money, where you know if you help people are, what be the essence of getting that money? Because money you tell like paper. When you die too, you don't go take your money go where you go. You see some bro where he die, where they take his house bury him before. You never see that thing before. You see some bro where you buy range 10, where they take one range. Either 10 range, they make them take 9. They make them take one range per bury him. Some no happen before that for this world inside. Where this some no go happen before. Because people there the world inside, where they for cruise range go, where they go. Because they don't go fit take that person on in range and they take give them. So we all will be caretakers for this world inside. So you do where you did this world inside. If you not make your head make hard, we do anything more damn to the highest level to the extent say you get one city survey business say make you give you one city, you will talk say no will give you. Because you know the thing say you will take chop. You know what talk say oh just make a take some and make a give you some. When they take money they do things where you know they hear for this world inside. Especially when the ministers, politicians, make a put down this way, make it spice and make it fry them all. Politicians, they go use you. Campaign camera. Right now, see, you say they go vote to spy the street up. You go see woman waiting for go there, go where go. You wasting time to follow politician. Politician they talk and say, come on, you go give them this, go give them this, they go down this. Now you go vote, give them pay. That time they reach pay, you don't go see the politician for anywhere. You don't search them suffer, you don't go get them. You don't call away, see your number pay, and say, ah, this woman, what's up? I usually finish you, make a cut the line, then show the what, you go cut the line. Because you know they hear you again, you use you finish. But you know they say make you no vote too. It be your what? It be your right say for what? If for vote, it be citizen, it be democracy. If you infringe on that right, because you did the constitution inside. But if you not take your time give that, because that time you go fit invest time, then do better thing. Because the people where you go vote give them, they your money inside. You know say if the party where you go vote give them. If the party B where you go vote give am because in your initiatives where you know say you talk you good that why you go vote give us but make you no make them use you. You know where them buy big things the ministers when I show this when I see stores then they buy big things, big phones, big houses, then things. The slave queens where them there then they buy big things. Where when me where them there house where they marry them they move from one prayer camp to another prayer camp, from one malam to one malam, from one disini to one disini, due to this thing. Where you go fit help this person but if they won't get something, you won't chop the meat pie before you go help this person. That if you they talk say the best investment where you did this one is I say you go help the poor. So you there where you get money at the top plus you. If for help, if you own money, but share some. If you God where you do what, He bless you. This be the matter where you what, He come. If you go feel leave your comment, it be very necessary. If you go feel talk your own for there. You finish, you go on a social media platforms you go feel follow us then like on our videos. The name need be what? Too much what? GH. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Prayer always do what? Work. Bow! Bow! Bow!
Too much GH. We did that say Japan. A break PM Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody debia. Madam I say love you.
The major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch was say. Bomoden na hwe too much GH on se me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase epe wo wi ase ya asonde nti na adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwe e wo other place ne ade kat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na wo subscribe a na wo benya ne ma pe a wo pe ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura